How to recover Duolingo account without email. Well, the account recovery depends if you have recovery email, if you have your account linked to another sign-in method or not. Well, if you have, you want to simply open the Duolingo application over here, and inside your Duolingo application you want to simply go to your sign in page over here. You want to simply go to your sign in page over here. You want to simply type it out, your alternative sign-in method over here. However, if you do not have any kinds of proof that the account belongs to you, you won't be able to recover your account. You want to simply tap on forgot password over here. After that, you want to simply type it out, your forgotten password, or if you remember any kinds of old password, you can simply type it out here as well. First, you want to simply enter your email, and by doing so, if you have any kinds of alternative email, you can simply type it out over here, and you'd be able to receive the link to change your password. And by doing so, you'd be able to change the passwords and maybe get access to your account again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.